Mr. Right here, and thank you very much to the person who sent in this question, which is a application of the rules when transforming graphs, transforming functions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way through this question, and then I will put this question on the screen, which is very similar, and you can have a go at that and then compare your solution to that second question with mine. So first of all, let's go through this question, which was the question sent in. Incidentally, if you find these questions tricky, then you need my Golden Rules of Transforming Graphs film. I'll put a link at the end of this video. Right, let's have a look. We've given a diagram which shows part of the curve with the equation y equals f of x, and we're shown the minimum point here, and we're told again that the coordinates of that minimum point are 3, minus 4. Write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve with these equations. So what is the transformation that's going to be involved here? Well, the change is in the bracket. So it's going to be a change to the x coordinates. So the y coordinates are going to remain the same. So I already know that the y coordinate of my new minimum will still be minus 4. Now what about the x coordinate? Well, it's a change to the x coordinate, so it's going to go the wrong way. So if it says minus 4 here, I'm going to add 4 to my x coordinates. So the new minimum point is at 7, minus 4. Now let's have a look at this second question. This time the change is outside the bracket. So it's going to be my y coordinate that's changing. So my x coordinate is going to remain at 3. Now it's 3 times f of x. And if it's a y coordinate change, it goes the way you'd expect. So I'm simply going to multiply by my coordinate by 3. So the new y coordinate will be minus 12. Okay, here's one for you to have a go at. Pause the film, have a go, and then I'll talk you through my solution. Okay, this time we're given the coordinates of a point which lies on the line y equals f of x, and we're asked to find the coordinates of the corresponding point in each of these cases. So this first one here, my change is outside the bracket, so it's going to be a change to the y coordinate. So my x coordinate will remain minus 3, and what's going to happen to my y coordinate is going to have 3 subtracted from it. So it's not going to be 2 anymore, it's going to be minus 1. Next one. This time the change is inside the bracket, so it's going to be a change to the x coordinates. So my y coordinate is going to remain at 2. Now, in the bracket here, my x is being divided by 2, which means that my x coordinate will be multiplied by 2, because the x's go the other way. So it's not going to be minus 3 anymore, it's going to be minus 6. If you'd like a hand finding your way through these rules, then there's a link coming up for the film that you want, my Golden Rules of Transforming Graphs. And if you'd like me to solve a question that you're stumped on, then just email it in. You'll find my email address in the description of this film. Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.